The ongoing total shutdown imposed across Jiribam district against the arrests of 3 cadres of the Pambay-led UNLF MPA has severely affected normal life in the district. Notably, the general strike was called by the Jiri Development Organization (JDO), Jiri Ima Mayrapai Apunba Lup (JIMPAL), and their affiliated organizations starting from the midnight of August 7, following the arrest of 2 Pambay-led UNLF cadres by Jiribam police in a follow-up to disclosures made by a cadre who was previously arrested in Kasar, Assam. With one of the 2 cadres still detained by the Jiribam police, the civil society organizations are continuing the band to demand the unconditional release of all the Pambay-led UNLF cadres. Due to the total shutdown, shops and all business establishments remained closed while vehicular movement came to a halt. Educational institutions and offices stayed shut as a large number of band supporters took to the streets and blocked roads. However, emergency services and religious activities have been exempted, and there have been no reports of any untoward incidents so far.
Police department Mien Champion Pariba, Isa Sankarse, condition Amata Yadana, Amata Yadana, Hadopio, Ting the man, the Pando, the show to the chance in the Timon Jaga, Nasika the Bogisa Sankada, our no say, Hadapino, Masiakojiba, Pajama, Yaninde, Atuma and the condition Yadana Isa Sankada, Adu Makatana, India there, which are putting up police department power to prayer, Mama Putimana. Pardon about Police department of Pajamia, King Navani, have a